how to drill a straight hole with a DeWALT cordless drill. Now, to drill a straight hole, you want to, obviously, I'm going to assume at this stage that you know how to enter your drill bit. However, what you want to do is put it straight. Now, what a lot of people find is that they can go straight like that, get it that way, but when they go one way like that, so they get it straight, they may be off when they look down the line like that. It's off to an angle, and when they straighten up there, they come off a different angle, and it's very hard when you're just starting out to get a perfectly straight line. Now, you want your body over the top and looking straight down the drill. This allows you to look down here and down here. However, it still is hard to get all directions right, and this is where one of these tools come in. It's a drill guide. Now, it comes in different sizes, and what you want to do is check which size drill yours is, so you can see this is snug. It is very snug, however. Now, what it allows is you to drill a perfectly straight hole. It doesn't allow you to bend the drill. You would actually bend your bit if you bent it. So slot it in, then drill. So one of these allows you to perfectly drill a straight hole with a DeWALT drill. If you're just starting out and you want to drill perfectly straight holes, one of these is a must-have in your toolbox. So just to recap, still get yourself over the drill bit so you make sure you're perfectly straight. So slot it in the hole, come over the top, make sure you're as straight as possible, hold the drill guide and drill, and you'll drill a perfectly straight hole with the drill guide. So hopefully that helps you out how to drill a straight hole with a drill guide. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.